Guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back with another video. It's your boy, Mr. Aaron21, and I'm here with a special guest, my cousin, Mr. Go subscribe to his channel. I'll put it in the link. And also, we're gonna be playing House Tycoon. It's a fun game, but it's really not, because you just build your house. No, I
would say it's pretty fun.
Yeah, I would say it's pretty fun too, but really, I just have a swimming pool, and I just want my cousin to join me. Pretty willing.
I'm about to get
Oh, yay. Yeah, but I still have to buy some stuff. I just finished the inside of the house and all that, but I like my pool, by the way, though. It looks just like my brother's pool, because my brother's pool. I usually haven't been vlogging, guys, because the pool's not really done yet, so... And, that's why, yeah, that's why, exactly. So, yeah, so I'll just give you a tour. So, this is my daughter's bedroom, but she's usually not home. Yeah, that's her. She gets mad at me for not washing the dishes, but really, I don't care. This is her bathroom right here. I know, yeah, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, and my master bedroom is, no, yeah, this is my son's bedroom. Even though he gets mad. Yeah, this is my son's bedroom. But it looks nice, by the way. Even though me and my wife sleeps in this room, the master bedroom. You know what I mean, guys? Yeah, this is our bathroom. It's really expensive, by the way. And this is our closet. And outside we have a table, which you guys know, and the kitchen table. The living room, the stove, which is you do not want to turn on and burn your hands off.
All I got is just walls.
Oh, did you join my game?
Yeah.
Okay. And we're gonna help out my cousin. And this is also my PC, guys. You touch it, you're dead. I'm for real. Oh, fine. And make sure to get this video 15 likes.
Or else I will delete your Fortnite account.
Yeah. I'm just playing, guys. He would not do that. If he did, just call me and I'll just put a moose sausage in his mouth. I'm sorry, guys. My cousin is acting weird today. Okay, stop. Okay, now I'm actually gonna drive to my cousin's house. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm gonna help my cousin out because he's lonely. Are you on your right or your left, Jose?
Where's your house though?
Oh, I found you.
Are you the one? You almost ran me over.
Yeah, it's me. Can I park my car in your garage?
Yeah, sure. I don't care.
Okay. Yeah, things had happened to. Sorry. Oh no, I crashed into your house.
Sir, you'll need to repay that.
I'll pay insurance. I only have insurance. Are you okay with insurance?
I only got insurance for that. Only helps you.
I'm only down the street. Like I'm only like 1, 2. Hold on. 2. I'm only like 2 blocks away from you.
Oh.
So yeah. Yeah.
I'm really keep getting my house done.
Yeah, I'm really stuck in my car. Like, I'm literally driving like Soko. Isico, mi amor. Guys, if you don't know what that is, make sure to go kill yourself if you don't know. Shut up! Don't talk about me or else I'm gonna put a pee-pee.
Oh, a peanut?
Yeah, peanut. What the elephants eat.
Yeah, guys, that's why we call peanuts. We call them peewees. It's kind of weird, but it's just like it's easier to say than the whole word peanut. Because peanut just takes way too long to say.
Yep, they do. Okay. Well, what I'm gonna be doing is I would rather mute myself right now.
Bro, I'm getting my house though.
Okay, guys, I'm literally gonna hide on the roof and make sure
Hello?
make sure
Oh no, I think he dead.
that he doesn't see me. Okay, I'm back.
Oh my god, he's live.
I had to tell the vlog something. Hold on, I'll be back again. So, guys, I'm gonna be hiding right about here, and I'm gonna be telling him to come to my house.
I got a big fat belly.
Okay, guys, let's see how it goes. Okay, come to my house. You already know it's 2 blocks away from me.
Hold on, cuz.
Oh, that's my lunch check. That's my lunch check. All right, let me turn it off.
House.
Guys, I see him.
What are you? Are you outside in your house, sir?
No.
Oh, I see your house.
Yeah.
You have done your house.
Guys.
Sir, where are you? Oh, I see your pool.
No, you don't. That's not me.
Sir, I'm in your pool.
Guys, he's in my pool.
Why is it so blue?
Why are you in my pool? Hey! Get out of my pool! Get out of my pool! Now! Right away!
Why you get my skin?
Oh, because we're brothers and we're twins.
Stop.
Yeah, but you don't know how to get up to the roof. I know how.
No.
I can't do it no more. Hey! No! Roof is only for employees.
I'm up there.
Oh, you're an employee.
Well,
Guys, should I tell
What
him
are those
that
houses with
I
those squares
have a
on them?
girlfriend? Literally. Jose, I'm gonna have to tell you something.
What?
You know my ex, the K one?
Yeah.
We dated again. And I had to tell the A one that we had to break up. Cause I'm a player.
That's no point.
I know. I mean, if my girl played on me, I'm a grounder for life.
But you're not moving, so you can't do anything. You're not. Oh my god! Somebody just ran me over.
Yeah, that was my friend. He said he hated you.
But that is not your friend. Because if that's your friend, I will.
Wait. Can you come back?
Hold on, sir. I'm doing some work.
Okay. I'm coming to your house, sir. Can you come out your front porch, sir?
I'm sorry. Siri.
Can you come to your front porch, please?
Hold on, sir. Can you not be patient?
No.
Why do I hear a cat in my house?
Why do you hear what?
I hear a cat in my house. Sir, are you driving in my house?
Oh, you said drive in your house, sir?
No, I want you to drive out of my house.
Oh, okay, I'll drive out of your house. Okay, I'm driving out of your house, sir.
I'm about to punch you, sir. I'm gonna punch you.
I don't care, sir. Sir, don't do it!
Oh my god. Sir, I will call 911.
I hate the poo-poo.
What?
Nothing. I'm just playing, guys. Do not hate them. Just because Black Lives, I'm not gonna say.
What?
They do matter. It's just that you cannot. I mean, I know what they did, guys. It's not simple. Like, don't hurt the police. They have children. They have kids. Yeah, but just don't do it, okay, guys? It's not that good, alright? I just hung up on my cousin on accident. He's probably gonna get mad and just tell me that I'm so stupid, but really, I really don't care because he's Mabel. Yeah, I did. I'm just playing, guys. Let's get this to 100 million likes. Let's get this to 100 million likes, people. Let's get this to 100 million likes, guys. Let's get this to 1,100,000 likes. Bro, I'm still recording.
I know.
Let's please, guys. Let's just hit it to 1,000,000 likes.
Guys, please make sure to check out my channel. I'm trying to hit 1,000. I mean, not 1,000, 100 subscribers. I only have 51.
Guys, I know, I know, but he's just trying to get 100 subscribers now. Please go subscribe to him because really, he really wants subscribers. And I told him if he gets subscribers, I'm not gonna be his cousin, blah 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 blah. But I really told him he's my best cousin. I love him, but really, he's he's my cousin. So what's the problem with that? So yeah. Make sure, guys, to go subscribe to my cousin's channel. If you don't, I'm cutting off your own private spot.
What?
Nothing.
Never mind then. Don't subscribe to my channel. No, I'm just kidding. Please do.
He's trying to get to 0. I'm trying to get more chips. I'm playing on my thing. Guys, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that bell notifications. And make sure you smash with rubber. The rubber thumbs up. Yeah. Do that, please. Okay. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.